Okay, welcome back to my fourth video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a suggestion function and a welcome message function. Let's get started on the welcome message function. So to start with this, we gotta go underneath the command function, close that down, and we need to make a new client.on. So start with client.on, and then we need to have a guild member add, comma, and then member, and then an arrow function, open that up, and then we can start with some constants. So we need to make one constant for the welcome ID, so the channel we want to send the message to, and this is gonna go into your Discord. You gotta copy the ID. If this doesn't show up for you, you need to go into your user settings. You need to go into appearance, scroll down and check off developer mode. Then go back to your code and paste that in. Then make a new constant called rule ID, and this is gonna be your rules channel. So for example, if you have a rules channel and you want them to be able to click it, so in the message it says, for example, welcome to our server, please check out, and then rules, and they can click that. That's what we want to make now. So just copy the ID and paste that in there. We also want to make another constant, and this is gonna be the channel. So just call this channel, and this is gonna be equal to member dot guild dot channels dot cache dot get, and then the welcome ID. Then you can go one line down and we can make another constant, which is gonna be the message. So message, and it's gonna be equal to a string, quotation marks, they gotta be like cross. And this is gonna be, for example, welcome to our our server, and then please check out. Then you make this with the squiggly brackets, and then you can start with some code in there. So we gotta make member dot guild dot channels dot cache dot get, and then rules ID, and then dot to string, and then do that. And that's basically it. The last thing we gotta do is to channel dot send, and no, what the heck, send, and then the message. There you go. We can now save this. We can run the program. Let me check the debug console. The what is online. Now if I go on my alt and I leave the server, I then join the server again. See, the message gets sent. Now something we also want to add is, for example, we want to ping the user. So that's pretty simple. We just make this and say member.id. We do this and that. Save this, rerun. Now if I leave and I join back, we get pinged. Nice. So that's it for the welcome message. We will now start on the we'll now start on the suggestion function. So see you then. Okay, we've now gotten our welcome message in place, and we'll now start work on the suggestion function. So to do that, we go underneath the welcome message and we make a new client.on. So it's gonna be client.on, and then message, comma message. Then we do an arrow function and open that up. Then we need to make sure, for example, the message is not a bot, because then we're gonna make a loop. And we also need to make sure it's not DMs, because that's also gonna break our code. So we do this message dot author dot bot and message dot channel dot type is equal to DM. And if so, we're just gonna return. Then we want to make sure the channel includes the word suggest. So if message.channel.name includes and then suggest, and that's gonna be return, because if it doesn't include, we're just gonna return. And then if it does, we're gonna message delete, because we want to delete the message. And then we want to make an embed. So go underneath there and let embed is equal to new discord.message embed there, and then we can start putting in some stuff. So for example, we can put in a set thumbnail. That could be message.author.display avatar URL, and that's the function. And then we can go down one line and we can start with the description. So set description, and the description can be let's see, suggestion. Then you want to go one line down, so do that, \n. Then we do this and message.content. Then we can also put in a title. So let's go underneath here. Let's go underneath here and .set title, and that could be, for example, let's say message.author.username has made a suggestion. Then we can go one line down and, for example, set timestamp. We can also put in a footer, set footer, and this could also be, for example, message.author.username. We can put in a color, so let's say there, and we need to go into our search engine and search up color picker. Then, for example, I want yellow, so I'll take the hex code for the yellow and I'll go into my code and paste that in there. There you go. And then we want to go one line down and we want to say message.channel.send and embed. And then we also want to react with some thumbs up and thumbs down, so people can vote on the suggestion. So that's also pretty simple. That's just .then, and then we want to put there and message and arrow function, and then message.react. there, and then we want to do the same again, so go out here and then within an arrow function. This could be, for example, message2, arrow function, and then message2 dot react. Then we want to put, oh no, I see, no, this, okay, let's just go back here and put this as reaction. Then we can put reaction dot message and then dot react, and then put in that, and then we go into our Discord, we put in let's see, thumbs up, do that, and then thumbs down, put a backslash before you there, and you should get that, and that should make it able to paste it into the code. There and there, take that and boom. Now we can see if we can run the code, so run, start debugging. The bot is online, so let's see if, for example, we just do test here, nothing happens, we don't get any errors. But if we do test in the suggestion channel, it deletes the message and replaces it with an embed. My name has put up a suggestion, and then test, then my name, a timestamp, and then thumbs up and thumbs down, so players can vote. So that's basically it for today. I don't know what I'll get into next episode, but we'll see. Have a great day.